Today we're installing a Roadster Sport 3 axle-back exhaust on an Mazda Miata. Manual, 99. This will fit the manual version. So the goal is to see what this sounds like with my current setup, which is Racing Beat headers, Racing Beat mid-pipe, and then this Roadster Sport axle-back exhaust. What I'm coming from is this bad boy, because the ISR setup I had was fun and I enjoyed it for the past couple years, but it's too loud. It drones bad, and I got a little bit of a commute to work now, so I don't want this fart cannon droning in my head the entire time. Plus it's just pursuit of a better exhaust note, which this sounded good, but I think we can do better. Okay, you didn't hear that. Alright, so the goal is to get it installed, get a nice exhaust clip. We're going to go for a little ride, see how it sounds. Hopefully, it sounds amazing. And I'm just going to bring you along on the journey. Maybe this will help you. I've always wondered what the Roadster Sport 3 exhaust sounds like, because they're expensive as hell. I probably wouldn't have bought it myself, but I was able to trade the previous test about a week ago. I tested a Power Pulse Racing Beat axle-back for the full exhaust being Racing Beat, and I didn't even know there was a Power Pulse and a race version, so I had the quiet version. It just sounded like stock to me. It sounded a little bit less stock in the video that I recorded, but too quiet. So we're going to test this one out. Hopefully it sounds great. All right, the moment is here. Let's just get ready for what we're about to do. Okay, looks good, looks gorgeous. Okay, well, angle bad, too bright. Aha, woohoo. Sounds less deep. Like, I'm not used to it sounding like that. That's good because it's something different. We want to hear something different. The intake is so loud. It's crazy. That sounds really loud. Huh. I don't know. Okay, now do it. Alright, go a little bit more. Like further down. Okay, hold on. Alright, do it a little bit more. That sounds cool from behind. Wow, you've been an amazing helper.
Thank you. It'd be amazing if I could just shut the door and drive away, but I can't do that, so.
Woo! Okay, we just need to do one flyby So preferably I'll have you kind of stand over there in the shade, and then I'll just do a drive-by.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want me to drop you off over there, or? Oh my God, sleigh, pose.
I can walk to that sign post over there.
Okay.
That, right there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
All right, here, don't forget the camera. Alrighty guys, that's going to conclude the video. I'm just wrapping up the editing right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more car-related videos, subscribe. I'll be making more, specifically around the Miata, a 1984 Porsche 944, and a 2010 Mark 6 Volkswagen GTI. Okay, thank you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hope this helped and gave you an idea of what the Roadster Sport 3 exhaust could sound like with your Miata. Woo!